Hello, so today is Saturday. I'm going to take you guys with me to the high street. I need to go to the bank and just peruse the shops. Just did my bank job and then I'm going to post office and then we're gonna peruse and get something to eat because I haven't had breakfast for me. Huh? Then tuna, chicken pesto, hummus. Oh wow, this has gone up from like, it's like £4. This has gone up like £2 more, I think. Yes. Oh wow. No, I need a new sofa, but I want to move before I get the sofa.
No, let me unfold for you. Let's keep it quick.
I've never heard of them before. What are they called? Gosh, I've never heard of them before. I like this. This is so cute. We need a new book, guys. So I finished reading of Yunko, Where Is Your Husband, last night. Now I need a new book. I have another book that I need to read at home, but I'm not feeling it, so I want to see if I can get another book. So I didn't get a book in W. Smith, but I'm gonna go to Waterstones and find another one. You're living in a life of delusion. Yes, big delusion. The Nigerian king. We are in Waterstones and I'm looking for a book. I like this one, so I'm gonna get that one. Thank you. Have a good day. I'm getting myself some new jewelry. And my mom is over there. I have come into Essentials to get a chain, another one like this but shorter, so I can put my pendant on it. And I only got this one last week and I came back to get another one. But yeah, an outfit of the day. I think Zara top and mango jeans, coach bag, sunglasses, Gucci, and then my sandals, which you cannot see, but yeah, that's the outfit of today. Hope you're enjoying this vlog and don't forget to like and subscribe. Let's go. Next. I don't really want to go next. like this sofa. The one we went to the other store, this one's quite good. It's giving me comfort, back support, everything I need in a sofa. Guys, I can't wait to move so I can get myself a nice sofa. I love it. I love it. I love it. And how much is it? £1,175. That's actually not bad. It's cheaper than the one in the other store that I checked out last time. £1,175. It's so far. I like it. I need to show my mommy this so far. It's the cutest. Look at that. And it's £18. It's too bright. Let's take it down. It's so cute. I just like this puppy. I like this puppy. But I really like this sofa over here, and this one. I like this one. Test that one out. This one's kind of similar, and it's even more. It's less. This one's $8.25. Do you like it? Oh, £24. Hi guys, I'm back from the high street and I wanted to share with you guys what I got today. I made myself a drink. So this is orange juice and coconut water. If you haven't tried it, try it. So I wanted to show you guys what I got from TK Maxx first. So it's a lot. I spent like £144. And the first thing I picked up was this double duvet set from Apple Tree Loft. I got for $29.99. The next thing I got 6-piece towel. So this is the 6-piece towel set and I love it. So it's textured, so it has like a bit of a texture to it. I don't know if you guys can see the texture. So I'm gonna wash these as well when I get back home. So moving on to clothes, I love this top, this blouse. It is so nice. It's just a beautiful red blouse, silk vibes, but this is large and it's $21.99. The next item I got was this black cropped top from DKNY, and it just has like the DKNY sign going down there. Just simple. So some of them might be returned. It's actually from Zara. I didn't even know that TK Maxx stocked Zara items, but this is a Zara blouse and I like this because it's just really playful. So this is another work top, work blouse I'm trying to go for. Oh, and this was $9.99, and the black DKNY sports top was $12.99. And I got another top, and I actually got this top. This is CK. This one is Calvin Klein, and I got this in a size medium. I think this was £16, and it's just a simple black top, but I liked the length of it. This one I got, and this was $12.99. And the reason I also got this one was because of the length. I definitely know I can pair this with some leggings and it will definitely cover my bum. It has some ruching at the side, so it will fit perfectly around my waist. And this was in a size medium for $12.99. I also got 2 silk pillowcases. The next thing I got from Oliver Bonos was this diffuser, and it says our patchouli scent mixes fresh flowers, creamy vanilla and aromatic spices for a romantic and warming atmosphere. And I really love it. Like, I just love it so much. And then also I went into that silver store, the one I have on now, which is just this. I bought the shorter version, and I also got the 2 pendants. So I got one with initial K and one with a little cross. I'm gonna put the cross on this one and then have a layering effect. Guys, yeah, I didn't show you, so I did have an unboxing. I'll put the clip in. But I bought myself some Gucci sunshades from Harvey Nichols. If you watched my travel vlog, you'd have seen that I've been going on about these Gucci shades that I found when I was there. Today is the first time I'm wearing them, and I got them like last week sometime. Loved it. And the thing is, I looked everywhere for them. So when I found them on Harvey Nichols, I was like, Yeah, so yeah, I just love my glasses. They're just giving me which auntie. And then when I put back in my weave, because I'm thinking of putting back in some weave, like doing like wigs and stuff, going back to the wig life. But guys, thank you guys so much for watching today's vlog. I hope you enjoyed it. If you do, don't forget to like and subscribe. If you like the energy that this platform is giving you, give this video a massive thumbs up and subscribe.